Hello guys, Archie here from Broken Ace Airsoft. Today this video is about where do you start with Airsoft, what you're going to buy, because personally I was clueless when I began. I know a lot of players don't know where to begin with the Airsoft gear, and so this video is about where do you begin. So an essential part of gear to your kit is your gun. I personally run at the moment a G&G combat machine just because it's reliable, cheap, you get what you pay for, and it does what it says on the tin. As you can see, I've got a different iron sight on here. But yeah, I would personally recommend this gun for any beginner, whether it's the M4 variants or the AK variants or the MP5 variants. G&G combat machines are a great platform to start on. Another bit of kit you're going to need is iPro. Personally, I don't have mine at the moment because I lent it to a friend, but I run the Bolly glasses because they're protective, they're cheap, you know. Personally, I don't run lower face, but I used to. This is the TMC lower face mask. You've seen the review of it probably. Got the ear protection. Yeah. So now you've got your gun, you've got your protection. You're going to look into buying mags. Mags you can get pretty cheap. You can get a mid-cap on patrol base for like £8. I think that's what they had them for. But when you've got your mags, you need to know how to carry them. So my current load bearing system is a battle belt. I run this every game I play basically. This is 2 utility pouches. You've got your Viper mag pouches, and I've got an SA80 pouch here. I prefer this to a plate carrier just because it's less sweaty, you know. With a plate carrier it's quite heavy, you got all of it on there, it's hot. Especially for the summer. Yeah, I only bought this because in the summer I sweat a lot, and this is probably much better for me. So, you got your battle belt. Another method of load carrying, I'd say, is the chest rig. This is what I first ran when I played Airsoft. Couldn't recommend it enough for a beginner. This is the Miltech mag carrier. You got your pistol mag, you got your M4 AK G30. I'm not sure if it takes G36, but you know it takes mags, and then you got another pistol mag. You can also use this for a pistol. I know I run my Glock in there sometimes. You could put a phone in there. You know, it's good for it. I really messed that up, didn't I? Anyway, another one is webbing. Webbing is very common in the airsofting places I play near. It is much more for heavyweight carrying, as you've got the straps on the back, on the shoulder. I personally don't run the webbing because it's too much bulk, in my opinion, so I only run this at cadets for fieldcraft and such. So now you've got your load carrying, you've got your mags, you've got your gun, you've got your iPro. Now you need some combats. I'd prefer to use Army Surplus combats just because they're tough and cheap. Where is it? There we go. This is just a standard MTP combat shirt. I run this most of the time. Usually run an Ubax though, just because of the summer. But yeah, you can pick these up for £15 at your local Army Surplus. You know, it's great to start with. I wouldn't recommend buying something way too expensive. You know, you don't want to buy the Cry precision stuff, because if you don't like Airsoft and you've just bought those, they're £100 or so, you know, bit of a waste. And another camouflage pattern I've run is the Flecton, which I really like just because of the dark woodland. I mean, it's really nice for when you're playing in sort of dense dark woodlands, which I sometimes play in. Other times I'll use my MTP for the summer camo and stuff like that. So yeah, that's really where you start with Airsoft. Catch you next time, we'll have some gameplay footage up soon. See ya.